everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Khushbu Gandhi and I have been working in this field of beauty content creation for the past 6 years now. One of the biggest perks of working in this industry is definitely receiving gorgeous PR packages. But if there's one PR package that is literally the dream of a lot of content creators, is the Nykaa sale PR boxes. Nykaa conducts 2 to 3 major sales throughout the year, and just before the sale they do send generous PR packages to a selected few creators who help them spread more word about the sales and to make it even more successful. I feel very lucky and very proud to be telling you that I've been receiving such PR packages continuously from the past 3 years. But it did not just happen. I actually devised a strategy divided into a number of steps. I applied those steps, which made the brand notice me and my efforts and thereby considering me in the PR list. And in today's video, I am planning to spill all the secrets. So if you are also a content creator and you want to be one of those people who receives that PR package from the brand, so continue watching this video till the end because there's a lot of insights that I'm going to share today. The first and the foremost and the most important step is to register on NAP. NAP is Nykaa Affiliate Program. For successful registration, you need to have a public profile. You should be a beauty / fashion / lifestyle content creator. I mean, you should be in a niche which can pitch beauty related products. Third and the most important thing is that you need to have minimum 5,000 followers. Anything less than that, you will not be able to register. And also, your overall profile should be good and aesthetic. If Nykaa loves your work and considers you worthy of the Nykaa Affiliate Program, congratulations, you are officially a napper now and you will be receiving a formal mail for the same. And after that, you will be getting access to your personal dashboard. You can just sign in and start working. The biggest thing that you have to do to get attention of the brand as such would be to generate as many link clicks as possible. Once you become an official napper, you get the access to this dashboard and you get the power to generate your personalized links about the Nykaa products that you want to promote. And when you post those links on the social media or on your WhatsApp groups or basically wherever you want to post them, every time a person clicks on that link, that data will be reflected over here. So I know a lot of people think that revenue is very important and their whole focus is on sale. But from my experience, I feel link clicks is the biggest parameter because this shows that people are trusting you enough to open that link and landing on the Nykaa page and at least seeing that product, which in itself is a testament of the audience's belief in you. So the link clicks is a very important parameter. So make sure that you generate as many link clicks as possible. Another thing that has always worked for me is that when you are generating link clicks, your intention should be to try and cover as many brands as possible and as many price brackets as possible, because even if, for example, you use only premium beauty products, I'm pretty sure a lot of people in your audience would want affordable substitutes for that. So try to use as many products as possible. Even if you can't use them, try to educate yourself on the reviews of it, on the uses of it. There are YouTube videos available. Nykaa in itself has a lot of reviews from the users. So just make sure that you educate yourself really well so that you are recommending right products, but it is also coming from as many brands as possible. Tagging and hashtags play such an important role whenever you are recommending a product from whatever brand. Make sure that you tag them. Make sure you tag My Nykaa. Make sure you tag NAP, which is the official Instagram page for Nykaa Affiliate Program, and also use hashtags like Nykaa Affiliate, hashtag NAP. And when the sales are around the corner, then there are dedicated hashtags that are supposed to be used. Tagging feels like extra work, but trust me, it is very important because these people are always monitoring your efforts, and one repost on the page of Nykaa or on the page of the brand or on the Nykaa program, affiliate program page, it can mean so much to you. I mean, it can get you so many views, it can get you so many new followers, and it can just boost your overall profile. Also, it means that the brand is registering you. So yes, tagging is extra work, but it's important. This sounds like a no-brainer, but I would still say it out loud. generate sales for the brand. I mean, of course, the whole idea of affiliate marketing is that the brand gets sales and you get commission. In Nykaa, you get 8% commission. And from what I have noticed is that it is actually not that difficult to generate sales for Nykaa, because any which ways a lot of people are using Nykaa to purchase their beauty stuff. So if you come as a figure in between and if you make authentic, believable recommendations, you can benefit so much out of it. And once you generate good enough sales, you can come in their notice, and you can definitely make way in their PR list. And right now Nykaa affiliate program is expanding like anything. They are actually looking out for creators who can, who they can add in their PR list. So it is the best time to be a part of this Nykaa affiliate program and to apply these strategies that I've mentioned to come in their notice. I don't believe in sharing revenue online, but just to prove my point, this is my dashboard from the sale that just happened in the month of May. So this is the revenue that I generated, and this is the commission amount that I made. And this is not even a lot. I mean, if you work really hard, if you have a very good following, you can easily earn lakhs of rupees. And that is my goal also, to increase my affiliate revenue. So I think it just works in everybody's favor. It is a matter of great pride to be receiving this Nykaa PR box, and that's why I was so eager to share all these things with you. I will come up with more videos in this particular aspect on how you can generate more revenue, how you can create more links and all of that. But for this particular video, I want to stop it here. If there is anything else that you want to ask, you can comment and be very happy to answer. I really hope that you found this video useful, and whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below. I really wish and pray that you work hard and you get the Nykaa PR boxes. And on that note, I'll be signing off today. See you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.